Model, 2015 Volkswagen TPORTER T32 HIGHLINE 180 bhp 2.9 TDI 4Motion 4-wheel drive, needs turbo no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 155,935. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 180 PSC. Transmission, 4-wheel drive, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great, underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn, is the straightforward turbo replacement job will be an absolute bargain. Great 4-wheel drive DSG gearbox is perfect grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5.